Hi. Welcome back with me, Jeffrey, in my YouTube channel. Now, I would like to show you that math can be fun because we can create some art using math, such as creating the art using the graph of math. There are a lot of math equations to construct the graph, but for now, I will only use two types of equations, which are circle equations and equation of the parabola functions. So, check it out. All right. So, as I mentioned before, I only use two types of equations for constructing the graph of math, which are the equation of a circle. So the equation of a circle with the radius r and the coordinate of the center point at h comma k is x minus h squared plus y minus k squared is equal to r squared. While the equation of a parabola function or the quadratic function is y is equal to ax squared plus b, where a and b are any constants. So let's check out how to apply these equations to construct the animation. So I'm going to use the Desmos.com, so the platform to construct the graph. Right. So firstly, I would like to make the head of the cartoon. So we know that the shape of the head is a circle. So I would like to make the equation is x squared plus y squared is equal to 25. X squared plus y squared is equal to 25. Right. So we can zoom out the picture. Right. So this equation is the equation of the circle for at the with the center at the 0, 0 and the radius is 5 units. And now the next step, I would like to make the eyes. The eyes, of course, it will be a smaller circle. So I can make equation x plus 2 square plus y minus 3 square is equal to 1. Okay, so here it is. So this equation of a circle is the circle that has the center point is at negative 2,3 and the radius is 1 unit. And then of course the eyes will be the symmetrical. So this is the left eye. So we can make the right eye. So because the eye or the position of the eye will be the symmetrical, so the equation of the right eye is x minus 2 square plus y minus 3 square is equal to 1. All right, so here it is. The vertical position of the eye must be the same, yeah, because it will be symmetrical, and of course the size of the eyes is also must be the same, yeah. So 1 unit for the radius. And then now the next thing or the next step, I would like to make the nose. I want to make the nose with the circle shape as well. So I would like to make the equation of the nose is x squared, another circle equation, x squared plus y squared is equal to 1. Okay, so the circle with the center point at 0, 0 and the radius is 1 unit. And then now I would like to make the smiling face. So the shape of the smiling face, I would like to make it as the shape of the parabola or the quadratic function. So I'm going to make the equation is y equal to 0.3 x squared minus 3. Okay, So actually, you can do the trial and error to make the concavity of the parabola. Like if you want to change the constant of the x squared, like 0.5, so the concavity of the smiling face will change, or you can make 1, for example, like that, or you can want to make 0.01. So basically, you can make the, or you can do the trial and error. Yeah, of course, you can use your feeling or you can use your justification. So my justification, I just want to make the constant of the x squared is 0.3. Okay. And then because I want to remove some parts of this graph, so I want to restrict the, yeah, you can restrict domain or range. So it's up to you. In this case, I would like to restrict the domain. Yeah, the domain is the x values. So I would like to restrict the x values from -3 until 3. So it will become like that, right? So now the next thing, I would like to make the ears. Okay, so the ears, I would like to make the shape of the circle as well. So now I would like to make the equation of the circle, x plus 5.7 square plus y minus 2 square is equal to 1. Okay, here it is. So this equation is the equation of the circle with the center point is at -5.7, comma 2, and then the radius is 1. Again, this is also based on your own justification to determine the position of the ear, right? And then this is the left ear. So position of the right ear, of course, it will be symmetrical. So the vertical position of the ear will be the same, but the horizontal position of the ear will be symmetrical with the left position of the ear. So I would like to make the equation of the circle for the right ear is x minus 5.7 square, sorry, square plus y minus 2 squared is equal to 1. Oh, sorry, this is supposed to be 5.7. Okay, yeah, here it is. And now I would like to make the body of this cartoon. So shape of the body actually at the first time I make the shape of the body, it's a circle. So I make it become x squared, the equation of the circle, x squared plus y plus 15 square is equal to 100. Okay, come like this. Well, you can make your own preference. If you want to make the shape of the body, it's a circle or the perfect circle like this, you can make it like that. But if you want to make it like ellipse, so you can like uh, make it like you put the constant for the x squared, like x squared, something like this. You can make it like that, right? Now, the next thing, I would like to make the hands. The hands, I would like to make it with the parabola equation or the parabola shape. So I would like to make it the equation of the parabola will become y is equal to 0.05 x squared minus 15. Okay, so it will be, you know, something like 10. But of course, we are going to remove some parts of the graph. So I would like to remove this part of the graph. If you look at here, the intersection point between the graph of this parabola with the ellipse is negative 6.871, comma negative 12, comma 639. And then, yes, so if I want to remove the y values, I would like to remove, okay, this part. That means for y greater than negative 12.639. Okay, so I will restrict the range. Yeah, so we can restrict the range, or we can also restrict the domain. So it's up to you. So I want to restrict the domain for y greater than negative 12.639. Okay. And okay, I will also want to restrict the range until, for example, until negative 5 maybe. Okay, something like that. Okay, and then again, yeah, it will be based on your own justification. You can, if you want to make it until negative 3, it's also fine. And then you can some elements for the hands of this cartoon, like the circle for the arms, x plus 15.5, 15.5 square minus plus y plus 3 square is equal to 4. Okay, here it is. Then another part will be symmetrical. So it will be x minus 15.5 square plus y plus 3 square is equal to 4. All right. And then the last element of this cartoon, or the last part of this cartoon, is the foot. So the foot, I want to make it in the shape of the parabola as well. So I want to make the equation of the parabola will become y is equal to negative 0.05 x squared minus 15. Okay, again, we need to determine to restrict the domain or range. It will be up to you. It will be based on your own preference. So I want to restrict the range or the value of y from negative 30 until negative 17.361. Okay. You also can look at the intersection point between or among the graphs. And then we can put another part on the foot with a circle. So become x plus 17 square plus y plus 30 square is equal to 4. Okay, so become like that, right? And then another part will be symmetrical, will become x minus 17 square plus y plus 30 square is equal to 4. Right. So become like this. So cute, right? All right. Well, okay. Mhm. Well, I'm pretty sure that we can create some more creative animations using other graphs of map. So Just try and explore your creativity as wonderful as you can. See you in the next session, guys. Bye.